Hello? Hello? Hello. It's Jet. We got something a little extra special today. I've been coaching ExoCadets. I'm calling you guys ExoCadets because I like that name. So I've been coaching ExoCadets, and they won a game on Friday in UGC. Hooray. So normally when we VOD, we want to look at our losses, but I'm actually thinking today that we actually want to look at some of the things that we did well because we need to appreciate our good moments. And I think we get beat up a lot, looking at our failures, and sometimes we just need to look at what we do well. So with all that said, let's get started. And I hit Control P and it goes. So one thing I've been telling you guys is play Brawl, be aggressive with space, do not give up unnecessary space. And I'm pretty sure you guys do that. I think you guys do a really fun rotation here, but we're gonna see how it goes.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attackers incoming. Defend objective A.
All right, so we take this rotation because we don't want to give the Orisa the advantage. We don't want to give the spam the advantage. We want to cut the amount of time that they. Oh yeah, you guys do this TP thing. Okay. Was this where I was a smartass and you guys are like, oh, this strat never fails, and then it failed? No, you're winning. You got it.
That was scrim.
That was a scrim, yeah, I was going to say.
That's right. So
questionable charge.
Let's watch that over again.
I don't understand how that missed.
Okay, so we go up. Bren scatters them away. We find the pick on the Hanzo, but we lose Bruma. We're targeting the Orisa. We're in, and we're just taking them out. Nice. Find the Zen. You know what? I'm okay with that charge. You just sometimes it just doesn't want to connect with anything. Nice work. So we're capping.
You were winning the fight. That's fine.
Can I ask something?
Yes.
Is Bruma here? He is not.
He's
Crap.
not.
Pain. Did he place down turrets on point when he got there?
Might have died beforehand.
He placed them down, but they got shot and then died. So
Okay.
he saw Tracer.
Okay.
I was just
Objective
curious.
loss.
So now we're
Stop the payload.
okay. Good taxing on Z. We want to take a little bit of space here because they're getting set up. I think we get stalled a little bit on this point.
Little bit.
So this seems like another example of, okay, so what did I talk about when you guys were on first point? Why did we go this way instead of going this way?
Because we
Running
didn't give the
silence.
Orisa the advantage.
Right, exactly. Also, we had the cool little TP strat, the funny TP strat. But what are we doing right here?
Nothing.
Giving the Orisa the advantage.
We're kind of giving them that advantage. So what do we do then? Instead of going this way, right at them, what can we possibly do?
Looking at it now, we should try to do a really funny strat that I've seen before. You go under blue building and then go through arcade and up the stairs behind them.
This is blue building?
Blue building is below that,
Mega.
but then go through pyramid.
Oh, this one?
Yeah, it's mega. Sorry, yeah, mega.
Okay. So we go here,
And then you wrap
and then
around
you go up here, and
behind
then you
the-
go up there.
yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I'm okay with that.
I mean, because for basically 80% of that push, you're covered behind walls, and then there's a pillar in the middle of it to keep you safe too.
Now, this is, and we're probably going to get into this soon, but this is for, what type of comp are they running?
Spam.
Right. And what type of comp are we running?
Brawl.
Brawl. Okay. So we're in a Brawl spam. So with that, and we kind of already explained that one of the things that spam like to do is they like to have long sightlines. Now they've already kind of made a mistake by being grouped up like this. We're going to want to have our Ashe here, maybe the Hanzo like peeking right here just to get more angles. And maybe have like the Sigma like right here or something. But since they're really, really grouped up, they've kind of already made a mistake. I think they actually. Oh yeah, that's coming up. So all right, well let's see how this plays out though. Well, we know how it plays out, but let's continue. Just chilling on cart. Yep. See, just like that, you played into the advantages of their comp. So at this point, we would say screw cart, and then you make our fun rotation through the Protoss building thing. I don't remember what they're called. I want to say a Nexus, but I don't know if that's right.
Call it
I
pyramid.
think it's a Nexus. Oh yeah, we'll call it Pyramid.
We're gonna speed this up a little. We're getting our Ryan back. So,
Oh, this is the funny healing bot moment. She
Very
gets
fast,
deleted here.
so I like what Broom is doing. Okay,
Oh wait.
and we're actually we did realize our mistake, and we're like, oh, let's swap, let's change.
The
I'm pretty sure that was-
shattered.
Oh, good eat by the way.
Kiss my
Yeah.
ass,
Yeah.
motherfucker.
Yeah, actually,
That funny healing bot moment was earlier.
nice.
I think at this point in the fight, I believe we started chanting "No util."
No util.
Huge.
Okay,
Here
and
comes.
look at what we're doing. Look at what are we doing?
It's time for the funniest moment in this match.
We're walking up. We're taking space. That's right. I think we could take a little more space, but oh, wait a second. That's right.
Oh,
This happens.
what?
The checkpoint.
Yeah, normally we don't want to do something like that in front of a window, but whatever. It worked.
It was based. It was absolutely based.
Nice job. I'm okay with 2 on cart. You probably could have been up Saber, but it's all good. Oh, I think you realize it.
Murder.
Okay, getting ults out of them, that's fine. Because they have to ult just to have the opportunity to contest cart, which they're going to very soon. But just look at all that space that we just pushed for free. Completely for free. And they did 2 ults.
Actually, it was. I was gonna say it's better than free. We got some money back. They
Yeah,
used all
that's-
to take it.
That's an example of a net positive trade. Just from simply taking space.
I fucked that up.
Okay, cool
Just-
window.
Dead in the flow.
All right, let's talk about window real quick. I said there's 2 things a window does. What are they?
Zone.
Zone.
Yeah, that's one. Great. It gives us what?
And damage.
Extra damage.
Gives space.
Extra
and then-
healing.
Yes, and then the obvious extra damage. And yeah, actually, there's a bonus one.
Healing.
Healing.
It's very nice.
So let's actually look at what you guys did in front of the window. And you tell me what you think you should have done instead. Smack the Ryan, the window. Particularly Bren, do you think you had a lot of
Yeah,
value by...
should have played in front of it.
Yeah,
Yep,
just get in front
I was
of it.
gonna say that. I was
So
waiting for you to pause.
your DPS, you actually even figured it out.
Because I think I was just trying to overthink it, and I'm like, oh, I'll just take the double damage and play it, and
Yeah,
then
but
protect
you're-
our line using DM, but I can
You're
just stay in
diva.
front of it.
You're diva.
Yeah.
I can do double the tickle
Just-
damage.
Take the space.
I do 2 DPS instead of 1.
Turn it from a tickle into a slight poke.
Oh, that guy got... Oh, nice beat. Think we cut away? Yeah, that's right.
RP shield though.
Broom is just in a cheeky spot. Did they find him? Yeah, they do.
Oh, he TP'd from in front of them to behind them. So he was trying
Yeah,
to make
he
a
probably
play,
should've
but they
just
made the
stayed
call
there.
to move back. So he got like
Okay.
a little bit of.
Did they know he was there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
They're like, you're not getting another 5. Oh, sir. Still got one. Nice. So we got one. We have the advantage. We window. We go. Okay. So we did 3 ults, and they used 2.
Didn't create space with the window again. Kind of stood behind it.
Oh, did we?
I think so. Yeah.
Well, they didn't. It's not that
Well,
they.
so it was we ran into the issue of their just that we didn't get the shield down. So we
Yeah.
weren't spamming enough to get the shield down, and
We're
I'm
seeing-
like, okay, well, there's no reason I should play in front of it. I'm full health. I can get the extra damage and just stand 2 feet behind it.
So, I know you're going to watch this recording. This window is a little preemptive. Instead of it being here, and they gave us all this. Let me look at this window before they did it, just to give you the benefit of the doubt. Where were they before you windowed?
Draw.
Yeah, okay, that's what pushed him back. All right, window's fine. I think it would have been a little bit better, though. Instead of it being here, have it be here. Because they still would have been pushed back. Assuming they didn't let you. They probably wouldn't have let you. But yeah, it would have been much more. You get better angles. Let's even see it. It's all right. But they still have that cover. Anyway, I'm being nitpicky. My job, though. And just, I'm at some shatter, but that's all right.
I was playing too afraid of shatter, and it ended up in me getting shattered.
See, they should be pushing up even more. They're just giving you guys space. But I do like the Sigma off-angling. Roofs. Get anybody with this? Hey, I got you guys in there. All right, even.
Oh, did you do a funny again, Bren, and died for it?
I fucked up getting out of mech because I was gonna land behind, and
You
I
gotta
said
trade.
yeah, I fell in on accident. I said fuck it, went for fucking.
We traded Bomb for Blizzard,
Okay.
which is a great trade.
Acceptable.
I think you guys actually... Nah.
Sixty seconds remaining.
I might actually want to watch this back. 'Cause we kind of got stalled here. Wait, did we cap it?
I believe so.
believe
Yeah.
you did.
30 seconds remaining.
Off the back of 3 ults, right? 4 ults. Maybe not.
Nice block. Yeah, I don't know if we did.
Overtime.
Wait, maybe we do.
We do because me and these three just frag out.
Nerf this.
Our bomb's better.
Get into position.
Yeah, sure, why not? Throw the dragons there. Yeah, what I'm seeing right now is target calling. We're just trying to kill everything at once. Kill one thing at a time and move on to the next. I actually want to look at that as a little more in depth on that third point. You kind of got you got stalled there.
The payload has reached.
You know, we had 4.5 minutes and they took it to overtime.
Kill.
I'm back in the fight.
Let's break it down.
Sexual style.
Yes. This dude's name is Sprite. Like the soda.
Damn. We go back right now.
Alright, so he gets 3. Whatever. Questionable charge. But it was kind of over anyway. It's all good. They used 2 ults for nothing just from the space. Remember talking about that? Okay, so we go back in. New window. This point we keep walking forward. Okay. Should be focusing on the Sigma right now. Wait, did we lose our... What killed you, Z? Okay. Did Rain have... Not Rain. She did not. Okay. That's fine. It happens. She didn't. I was seeing if she had ammo. She didn't. Okay, so this is probably a lost fight. They have spawn advantage. We have Brent at a mech. Definitely be playing on the passive side here. And then once they figure out that we can go in, we go in. While that beat did save us, maybe we shouldn't have used it. Just let him flux. And then we could have been beat engaged. And Broomer staggered himself. Oops. Speed, speed, speed. We find the May. Alright, then we're like, let's go in. So it's a 5v5. Broomer will be here soon. Rain, what was going on?
Let them up.
What were we?
Let them up.
I think Rain just wanted to go forward. Oh well. Not the best pathing. That's on him. Yeah, it's like before every fight, it seems like we were just getting picked. One of us was getting picked for some silly reason. Why do you think that? Why do you guys think that is? Any guesses?
I think we have an issue with, like, if we don't micromanage, sometimes we just do stuff because we all think that that's what the idea is, but we all have different ideas in our head. I think their Rain thought we were just going to W key him and hopefully kill the high noon, or I was going to DM it, but turned out we were all just waiting back and LOSing it.
Did you have Matrix there?
No, I screamed LOS because he was around the corner, and I was going to wait to Matrix it.
I have brain damage.
Okay. So this is hindsight, but you did see Rain go to the left. I don't know. What is the distance of Diva's Matrix? Isn't it like
10 or 15 meters.
yeah?
I think they changed.
10
It's
meters
like
now.
yeah, I thought it was like 13 or something stupid like that.
yeah. So
But it's like between 10 and 15 for sure.
I think you could have saved him. But again, it's hindsight, not a big deal. Just better luck next time.
10 meters.
Yeah, I think that gap's about 10 meters.
Not between where the Kree's standing and where Lucio is.
Yeah. But okay, I'll explain this.
You have funny rockets.
Okay.
So you were here, Rain was here. So instead of matrixing right here, you matrix over here on your Lucio.
But he was over more on the corner, so he would have still had LOS from the Kree.
That's what I'm saying.
Have
Like, I think you could look
Funny
at him.
boosters.
It's hindsight. Don't worry about it. Don't look at it too much.
Nerf this.
Okay, that's another thing, Bren. Stop doing that. You know why you
I know I
died
messed
here?
it up. I messed it up there.
Just-
I meant to drop behind where Mega was,
you-
and I just screwed it up. I went for it.
Getting a kill while you DMAC is a bonus. It should not be a goal. That makes
Yep.
sense?
Yep.
I remember you dying, I think, in scrims and in matches so much to just because you're like, oh, I want to get a mech kill. Stop it. It's a bonus. It's not a goal. If you get it, cool. But if not, don't worry about it. Just get back in your mech.
冻住，不许走。
Because, again, hindsight, you could have been alive to eat the blizzard. All right, I think I've seen enough. It was just like doing silly things from at least somebody.
Ready.
Did anybody say anything else that might have been a reason why we were getting stalled on third?
Other than being complete dumbasses? No.
Okay. Just want to make sure that I'm not missing anything. I want to be thorough. All right. Now, defense. Mwah.
Attackers incoming
Awesome.
in 30 seconds.
We are the funniest of human beings.
Defend objective A.
And I'm pretty sure you're gonna yell at me for this. It's a weird spot I take, and I know it, but for some reason it was working.
Screw it. Let's go in. Why did Bruma not die? Okay. Trade our Reapers. We get their Rhine. We lose our mech. Now, Bruma, this is what I want you to start doing. If you can't, in a post fight or after a fight, if you can, just go jump off the map. It's way faster. Instead of you trying to just get it back. Then again, you are 60. Ask you talk to Hoopa? Bren?
What?
Do you talk to Hoopa at all?
No.
Get his. I'll get his opinion on that.
I get mech back for next fight.
I know, but
If that helps.
did you catch the feedback? The information I just gave you.
Yeah. You said Bruma, so I caught it. 'cause
Yeah, I
was
thought so
listening,
too.
but-
There's too many
I was
B's on
like-
this team, man. Yeah, sorry.
I
Yeah,
can make
okay,
you aware.
I heard.
Brad,
I get what you're saying.
Instead of
Normally
just
I do.
jump,
if I'm at,
just jump off the map and get your
I
mech
can
back.
tell you
Normally
my
I do if
first
I'm
name.
20, but I was chilling
Just
because
shut
they
up,
were
Bennett.
feeding.
We are live, by the way. Let's not do that. No.
I don't give a
reveals.
shit. I don't give a shit.
Well, I do.
Whatever.
Anyway,
Potato.
boil them, mash them, stick them in a stew.
Sir, this is an M32 grenade launcher.
That's a Lord of Rings moment.
Just fire it, Patterson.
Catch the Lord of Rings reference there.
Okay, go fuck with the Sombra. I'm okay with that.
What stun was that? They all just got. Was that all flash?
That was Ryan and Orion.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay. Trade Reapers again. We have no DPS.
Nerf this.
Huge
What do we do
blessing.
here? Oh, that's right.
Bonk.
Like, I know we win this fight, like, but what happens? Very brilliant fade, Moira. Nice job. I'm just gonna go with you're trying to reset.
Huge.
Got him.
Benefit of the doubt.
No
Benefit of
wenches,
feeding the
no
old.
fading.
And they have EMP. Okay. What do we do here?
Stun that Sombra.
I just love the spy check right now.
Nerf this.
Sombra, you needed the EMP 4 years ago.
Here it
Oh
comes.
no, we're gonna wait until after the shatter happened. Yeah.
Yeah, but Rain's goaded. Rain's goaded.
Yeah. That's what we call a firm ratio. Oh, the ratio. Most dangerous threat on planet Earth. Diva. Baby Diva.
Let me look at this again. Because I was just thinking, like, okay, we're aggressing on them and it works, but I think here, what do we do?
Die.
Nerf this.
So with that bomb, like window, what does bomb do?
It makes space and forces them to use resources.
Makes space, yes. And what else does it do? Really simple.
Forces them to use resources.
It kills mofos.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah.
Because if they don't use those resources, and this is blue on blue, looks terrible. Let's try this again. It happens, guys.
Switching from Epic Pen to in-game is quite wacky. I understand.
Well, I have a tablet. I don't draw with my mouse like real coaches do. I cheat. I use a tablet. I use my hand and a pencil. Okay.
And you still write like that? Okay.
Yeah, I know, right?
I don't know. It's
I can make it really nice.
No, I like reading the other
space. 2 does damage. So I'm pretty sure Bren told you he was bombing because he normally does. So at that moment, what is it that we do when bomb goes in? What are we supposed? In theory, what should we have done?
Go in as well.
Go in as well, right? Well, what do we do instead?
We rotate instead of going directly in on them.
I think we stall out. We wait a second.
So we do
and
rotate. But did we have speed? Where's Rain? Yeah, we have amp.
Oh, okay. So let me. I'm gonna defend Rain here. Or can you hear me?
Yeah.
Hello. Okay.
Yes.
Rain is screaming right now because he knows that Sombra has EMP and he knows he has beat. So he said, "You guys go point. I'm gonna stay away from you so I can keep beat."
That's right. That's right. I still think we could have played faster here. I do agree with Rain like staying back, but I do think we could have played faster by just walking into that bomb, kind of baiting out EMP, and then we come in with the beat. The thing is that I want us to play faster, and then our window's gone. Should have waited on the window. You knew they had EMP. Anyway, I remember that being called. So I think this fight would have went a lot differently if we were more aggressive. Do we see that?
Wait. How am I still? Oh, Sombra must have rehacked me.
But do we understand why I think this fight would have gone a lot differently if we were more aggressive?
Yeah, because at that point, even if they had EMP, we can just W key them and they die.
Right, and we got beat on.
Yeah.
It was his favorite game of push their shit in.
And assuming that Yor saved her window, right, we got that out too. Oh, of course, after the EMP goes away.
Yeah.
That reminds me, eventually we'll have to talk about something called ult chaining. What do you guys think this is?
Oh,
Alt
It's
synergy?
really simple. Well,
What do you think it is, Bryn?
isn't it just basically like I can explain it really simply? So like your Ana has nano, so you want to make sure that Monkey is like cycling his ult. So when Ana doesn't have nano, he has primal.
Right. That's exactly it. So with the ult economy, there's ult chaining and there's also ult combos. We all know what ult combos are. What are some examples? Famous examples.
Dragon
Nanoblade.
Ball.
Nanoblade, yes, Nanoblade, and then Bren, you said one.
Dragon Grav.
Grab drag, yeah, those are like the big ones. Now, why are these called combos?
Because you're
do them
using
at the
two
same
ultimates
time.
to make them more effective.
So, but what Bren was saying is that with ult chaining, we nano monkey. That's one thing, and then after he's done, after nano goes away, we primal. And then say we're still not winning. It's like, all right, we're going to window. Or whatever the heck our comp is. But do you see like how it's forming like a chain? For you computer science nerds, these are nodes.
Yeah.
Wasn't it like a big thing in goats?
I think so. I kind of took a break during goats.
We all?
Goats was basically just kill it with fire. If it doesn't die, keep throwing things at it till it dies.
Right. So
that's literally goats.
Again, this is hindsight, of course, but I think if we were practicing ult chaining, we wouldn't have windowed when we also kind of knew that they had EMP. There's no reason to do that. But Yor actually played fucking amazing on Friday, so I'm just being nitpicky. And they cap. That's okay.
Objective
So I think they mainly cap because of our
Stop the payload.
lack of aggression and uncertainness in our play. Okay. But I like this. We're getting... Oh, Ryan's hacked. Nice job, Ruma. Get him. And now we're just like, screw it. Go at him. We got all 6. They got 5. Just go at him. Die. Maybe next time. Ooh.
Huge shatter.
Good shatter.
Bam.
Pain.
You love to see it. Brumi, we got to work on your blossom timings.
Hurts my blossom on Volskaya.
For Blossom specifically, I like to use it after I've dispensed all 8 rounds of my shotguns.
Yeah.
Because then
Makes sense.
it becomes funny. Because then, oh wait, he's out of bullets. He can't shoot anymore. Oh wait, I
Do you
have
like
the
start
funny
the
humor.
reload animation for it too?
Our
It
bomb's
depends.
better.
I'm just bigger. I'm just bigger.
I just do Blossom to assert dominance, and then it works out 90% of the time.
Oh.
I tried to DM her. That gets some Moira.
I guess it's just unlucky.
Huge eat.
Shut up.
So we're setting up. We're getting lane control. I think we're doing a little bit of scouting, trying to see where they're going. But it's brawl v brawl. They're gonna bunch up on the cart.
Apagando las luces.
Find 2 of them. They find 2 of us. Rain's down. Okay. What is going on here? Let's just watch that again. Bottom of this. For the sake of time, we'll have to watch this later. When we get to third. I don't know if they know you're up there, Saber.
The payload has
Okay,
reached
they do.
the checkpoint.
I think you get out here. Bam! I love it when it does that. Just has a fire strike. Anyway. You know this. Okay, Brent's spot checking. He'll find him eventually. Hmm. Okay.
Baited.
Another funny.
That one was just
Wait, I
because
think
I'm like,
they
we're going to this
do.
fight if I
Oh,
die.
I remember this. They do cap. And we beat them on first. So let's watch those. Because basically a lot of what I'm seeing right now is we're successful when we're more aggressive. But when we play at a slower tempo, that's when we get beat. So I think what we do... with our remaining 5 minutes, as we watch these. Watch our attack. Right, here we go.
For battle.
I think this is where you guys do really well.
4, 3, 2, 1. Attackers incoming. Defend objective A.
They just do spam again. Okay. Worked so well last time. Okay, we're waiting for amp. Okay with that. Speed at them. Very nice. And we find somebody. Very good. Speed on that Hanzo. Very good. And if they want to stay down there, whatever. We got point control. Doesn't even matter. But you know what? Fuck it. Let's get them. Oh, wow.
Objective lost.
They found your...
10 seconds remaining. Overtime.
CD, I think you could have got on high ground here. But again, it's okay to... Yeah, here we go, here we go. Yeah, they just got the Zen.
Saber. Yeah, I love the Doomfist strats on Cass. My favorite.
Yeah, so what I'm seeing there, yeah, I feel like a broken record saying it's just a little more aggressive. We let them set up, and then their window's gonna be better than ours because they have Discord plus Zen, who's a third DPS.
Ready for battle. Ready for battle.
Ghost. It is simply a DPS differential.
And it's amazing me. They try the same thing. I'm glad that they're practiced.
See, they just go swinging.
Nice.
30 seconds remaining.
Boys.
And then you guys stagger here, right? Okay. Should have. It's all right. Would have been huge. Huge.
I call it, but it was just a little too late because we have a Reinhardt.
Oh, they get one tick though. Okay,
10
they go to
seconds
like
remaining.
fast heroes. And they don't have anything. We're gonna have shatter soon.
Overtime.
Speed on them. Good.
Break bubble and win the fight.
Just
Bam.
Smack the frog.
Get out of here.
I would be more effective if I didn't shoot that last fight.
That's what I'm talking about.
And high noon to assert dominance for the reverse sweep that is upcoming.
So what's the primary? So when you guys were doing well, what was the primary thing? Why were you doing well?
Playing very aggressive.
Yeah,
We were the aggressors.
that's right. So this is what we call tempo control. Play your game, not what?
Their game.
Their game. Their game sucks. Our game's better.
Force your tempo, not their tempo.
Yes. We play at our pace. And do we see why that is? Does that make sense?
Yes.
very much.
Because let's think back to when we're on third attack. What was going on that was causing us to not be able to control the tempo?
We had one person die like before every fight we were trying to take.
It seemed that way. That's right. So I think this is probably going to be our goal on whenever our goal scrim is. I think it's Tuesday or I think it's tomorrow. It's tempo control. Playing our
Tomorrow,
game. All right. That's it. Does anyone else have any questions before I wrap this up?
I'm good.
Right on. Okay. And then, dear viewer, if you made it this far, thank you. And we'll catch you next time.